MeghalayaPost.news.
Temjen Imna Along, Ubadayu Menteri Ketenat Kikam Jungok Kai Pertain, Bar Ubadayu Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih, Jong Kejalan Nagalan, Mentaka Sengikha Ban iuhkjat Ashnong Apa Balian Byrnihat, Kata Galong Banishi Mentaka Program Rakhe lyngkhuh sngikha Basispa Iwei, Jong Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Ubadayu Menteri Rangba Barim ke India. Ya kata program la pelong dak BJP Jirang Mandal, Hakabat Nalor Kejingdon Temjen Imna Along, Asakhiru dak Kejingdon Uhimanta Timung, State President BJP ST, Uba Sen Thaba, Presiden BJP Riboy, Uba Albertus Lapang, Presiden BJP Jirang Mandal UPS Tour lam kiri rongba badagi spangut ki pajba jong kathan Byrnihat habakran halor kate gajing shakhon banedan bentaha kate gajing rakhe ke sngikha basispa iwei Atal Bihari Vajpayee nagalyang Temjen Imna Along ulapan pa bokmen bolayo baneshi menta kate kesngi bat kabadairu gajing shisha badai bankan mau kurpang ya ke sngikha na maru dayuri kraw jong kari ki bro kawe gajing kran jong tei menteri sarkar kejalan nagalan ula ongru bahaki por bo Atal Bihari Vajpayee ulong kum menteri rangba hakari ulala banle ban penyo yashibun ki Roy ki balong gajing mentoy boro ki pat nok snong ha India bar khamtam na kamta gajing mentoy jong ki pat ba ki basa ha ki jilla shatai lamingi
A beautiful place in Jirang constituency. I have come here to commemorate the former Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, who is our Bharat Ratna 100th anniversary, commemorate the 100th year of his life, and to be with our party men, to encourage our party people, and the ideology with which Atal ji had lived his life. And today, with our Jirang Mandal President and with our district president, with our state office bearers, including Mr. Momin, the president of the BJP Meghalaya, we have had a fantabulous time sharing the commitment of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji towards nation building, towards how he brought the Northeast under his wraps, and also the initiation of the Northeast Council, the initiation of Donair, and today Meghalaya is the headquarter. Shillong is the headquarter for that. And so we have commemorated our leader's life and take inspiration from him as BJP workers and karyakartas to make India into a Viksit Bharat, a developed nation by 2047.
MeghalayaPost.news.